In this video, we are going to be discussing what we call the sine rule. Class, we can call it sine rule. It can also be called the laws of sine, or we call it sine formula. Okay, these are the three names that we can call the sine rule. Now, class, we are given an acute angled triangle or an obtuse angled triangle. We are saying sine rule can be applied to an acute angled triangle or an obtuse angled triangle. The question now is, what is an acute angled triangle? An acute angled triangle is a triangle that the angles that are there are more than what now? 0 degrees, but less than 90 degrees, okay? Which implies any angle that is more than 0 but less than 90 degrees, we call it an acute angle, okay? Then an obtuse angle is an angle that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So for acute, greater than 0, less than 90. For obtuse, greater than 90, less than what now? Less than 180. So here, this is diagram for an acute angle what now? Triangle. This is diagram for an obtuse angle triangle. So this sine rule can be applied to solve question under this diagram. It can also be applied to solve question under this what now? Diagram. So which implies anytime you see diagrams like this in mathematics, we can apply what now? Sine rule for them. So what is now the rule? I have put the what now? The rule in what now? In block form. The rule says A all over sine A equals B all over sine B equals C all over what now? Sine C. Take note of this. Where the small letter A, small letter B, and small letter C are the sides of the triangle, okay? Then capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C are the what now? Angles of the triangle. This video is the part 1 of the 2 series videos, okay, under sine rule. We are going to explain everything in detail here, okay? And in the second video, we solve general questions applying the sine rule. Now, we can apply sine rule to solve questions in mathematics, okay? But 2 conditions must be satisfied, meaning before we apply sine rule to solve questions to a triangle in mathematics, we must identify 2 conditions. Once those 2 conditions are satisfied, we can apply sine rule. We can't just apply sine rule anyhow. 2 conditions must be satisfied before we apply what now? Sine rule to solve questions to this diagram or this diagram. Okay, class. What are now the conditions? The first one, 2 angles and one side opposite one of the angles are given. Class, take note. Once these conditions are satisfied, once these 2 conditions are satisfied, or any of them, we can use these to solve question under what now? Using the sine rule to solve question. Are you with me now? What is the first condition? Like we said, 2 angles and one side opposite one of the angles are given. Let me explain this. Meaning, if I have this, okay, I have this. This is what now? An acute angle triangle, okay? That doesn't mean I'm giving what now? A here. We're giving what now? B here. Are you with me? Now, this is 2 angles, angle A, angle B, and one side opposite one of the angles are given, meaning the side that we must be given must be here, okay? I can have it like this here, meaning I have 2 angles, and that side is facing angle B, okay? Or I have it like this. I have what? Angle A here, angle B here, and I have this small what? A, meaning these are the angles, angle A, angle B, then the side that is given is facing this. Are you with me now? Or I have angle A, angle B, and the side that is given is facing what now? This A. That side must be facing either of what? A or what now? Or B. Do we understand? You must understand this condition very well, because once you see a diagram like this in mathematics, okay, I can apply the what now? The sine rule, meaning I know 2 sides, 2 angles. Then one side is facing one of the 2 given what now? Angles. Either I have it like this, or I have it what? Like this. What is now the second what now? Condition. 2 sides and one angle opposite one of the sides are given, meaning we have something like this. Are you with me in class? We have something like this, two sides. So we are still taking a triangle. We are using obtuse angle triangle. We have this. We are using acute angle triangle. We have this and we have this. So this is what now? Sides what? So let us know given what now? A is here. Are you with me? Let's go by this. We have A here. Okay, we can have it anyhow. A is here and B is here. Two sides. A is here and B is here. Two sides. So that angle that must be given must either be what now? This one, okay, is facing this, or this one. Are you with me now? So here we have two sides, side A, side B, and one angle. This is the angle. That angle must be what? Opposite one of the sides. Okay, one of the sides. So meaning this angle is facing what? Either A. It must face either what now? Either B or A. So we have this one here. This one is facing what now? B. And second one is facing what now? A. So once we have these two conditions, okay, either of the two conditions, we can now use what now? Sine rule. Meaning we can't just apply sine rule anyhow. These conditions must be satisfied before we can apply what now? Sine rule. Are you with me in class? Either I have the first one being satisfied, or I have the second one being satisfied. Once I have these two conditions, so what I'm going to say is this: understand these two conditions, okay? Memorize and understand. Once you have a good and solid comprehensive understanding of the conditions, then we can use sine rule to solve any question in what now? Any question in mathematics that involves what now? Acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. So in the next video, we are going to take a comprehensive question, okay, that we're going to use what now? Sine rule to solve. Understand the conditions. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the red subscribe button down below this video, okay? And you give this video thumbs up if you like it. If you enjoy this video, give this video thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.